Hello everybody. I just took a video, but I'm just gonna take another one. Sorry if my quality is potato because my other phone fucking broke. Like I don't know how it fucking broke, but it broke while I was getting that car, so now I'm back to this shitty S4. And I would have better quality videos if I had a camera, but my broke ass doesn't really want to buy a camera or can buy a camera or need to buy a camera at the moment. But I'm just gonna... Oh, fuck these mosquitoes, man. What the fuck? There's so much of them. I don't know if you can see the bastards, but Jesus. I got the timing correct now. Little thingamaboopers line up pretty good. I'm just gonna go out here. Fuck these mosquitoes. So fucking humid and shit out that they just decided to be like, hey, let's fucking go out and feast on this guy. Got some more jazz. Use the old seats. Oh, here, I could actually probably crank this over for you so you know what I'm talking about. Or not. What the fuck would I want to crank that over for? Not too much is going on. No quality videos. I'm just trying to get some hours on LubeTube and more videos. Just help the channel grow and shit like that. I know I'm not gonna be YouTube famous. I just want a couple subscribers at least. Fucking show your friends or something. Not much to do at the moment. I want to fucking work on this. Mosquitoes are eating me the fuck alive. Cock-sucking bitches. I wish my lighting was better in here. I got that potato light and that one, but that ain't doing shit. I wonder if she'll roll over. Grab my door handle. Oh, great. That drill is still working, so I'm happy with it. Quality with a K. Oh, those are the other cam bearings off of that. I was gonna put that on there, but why waste a good cam bearing on a bad cam? Oh, yes. Bumpy boys. Oh, fuck these mosquitoes. Christ. Oh yeah, she's getting all sorts of lube. I think. Hope. I pray. Last I checked, it was. So no reason why it shouldn't be now. Fucking better. That's for goddamn sure. I'm gonna be mad as hell if it doesn't. Cause I already took this shit apart and fucking, oh god. Even fucking taking the head off and stuff, I had to remember all the bullshit. So it's already being kicked in the ass, but it's whatever. It just better work. It fucking better. She's cute though. I heard that 4-doors aren't as common as the 2-doors. And I got the both of these for $200, so who knows? Oh yeah, just beautiful. The patina. Just great. But yeah, sir, this is how she's going so far, so fither. I just hope she gets lubed to the top end now, cause that would fucking be shitty as hell if it didn't. Like, I would be all just super mega bitch mad. I'm gonna crank it over till it dies just to see if it keeps getting lube. See if the lube will change. Come on. Yeah, that should be enough. Yeah, I think oil might be flopping. I'm not 100% yet, though. Seriously, I really am done fighting this, so I really hope. Stupid fucking dog. Oh, I hate this dog. Look at how stupid you look. Fight me. Bah! I'm gonna chase you with the mower. Bet. Look, the dog wants to be a bitch and bark at me. Bet. What? This was just fucking running. Are you fucking shitting me? Cock sucker. Brake set. No, like dead ass. I just used this to push my car into a garage. Oh my god. Must be just a connection or something. What the fuck? Okay, I'm big mad now. The parking brake is on, you retard. Oh, fuck you then. Stupid dog wins this time. SMH in my head. Tried to ward off these fuckers with brake clean, see if they like the stink or not. Where are they? Just give her a little spray. Bitch ass mosquitoes. Give her a little snort. Little snort. Little snort. Alright, I'm bored. I don't know what else to say. I'm out. So, I'll propane you later. Goodbye.